Hi, my name is David and I'm about to show you how to copy a Google site the smart way, using CopySite, a simple tool created with AppScript. You might remember that when you copy a site, the embedded content, such as documents, does not get copied, and it can be very tedious to do it manually. But now CopySite takes care of everything. Normally you only need one click. So let's try it now. Imagine I have two users. I have user blue and user green. Green has this really cool site which has embedded, for example, this document, this calendar here, but also a drawing, a gadget that takes its data in a spreadsheet, and a spreadsheet by itself, another one. Then blue looks at this site and wants to have the same because he finds it so cool. So he wants to copy it. But the first thing to be able to copy it is that green needs to give blue some ownership level access to the site. So here we go and we choose to give blue an ownership level. We have several owners in the site now. Then we have to go through the embedded stuff, so the document, for example, and give blue some read level access so that he can copy it. So here we add blue as a viewer. We do the same in the drawing and in the spreadsheet. Once this is done, we must not forget the spreadsheet that contains the data for the chart or the gadget, and this one as well must be shared. So we share it with blue, and then we can go on blue's side, and he will want to copy the site now for himself. So that's where he wants to use our app. He has to authorize the web app. We go through all the panels, and then we start with this main panel of the web app by finding the URL of the previous site. So we go onto this site, and the URL of this site, we copy it here, or alternatively, we could have given the domain name and the name of the old site, so site to copy. Then we have to choose a name for our site. We will choose the URL, or at least we will choose the last part of the URL which corresponds to a name. And it has to be unique in the domain. Here we'll call it copy from green. Then I can choose more options, such as a title and a summary, or I can immediately copy the site by hitting this Copy Now button. Here it will start working. It will start copying all the embedded data as well as the site itself, and then we just have to wait for the feedback from the UI. And here it is. So the app gives us a summary of everything that has been done. First, we see what site they have been copying, then some lines here describe that they have had to wait for the site to be created, and then there is a recap of all the documents that have been created. Here is the document copied, the drawing copied, the spreadsheet, and even the spreadsheet that is the source of the gadget here. There is also a calendar, so our calendar has been replaced by a blank one, and that's it. So now we can go and have a look. In sites.google.com I can have a list of my sites, and I have this copy here, which is the copy from green. If I go into the calendar, it will be a blank calendar, so there is no event in here. There is the document, so it's a copy. If I go and open it, I can see that I am the owner. It's my document, it's not the one from green that I can see, it's really a copy. Same thing for the drawing. And it's the same thing for gadget and spreadsheet. Let's go into the drive to check this. So into my drive I have the new documents, which are the copies. So for example, on Blue's side, if I open the copy, this is the copy of the CopySite gadget data, I have a file where I can change the value. Here let's put 100. But if we go back into the account of Green, we can see in the gadget data that it's still 50, and if we want to refresh on Green's side this page, we can see that it's still 50 as well. The value hasn't changed. So here we have all these documents which have been copied, and they are in the root of the drive, and everything seems to be fine. So I hope this app can help you copy all your sites more easily, so it can look like those new sites, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.